else have extreme
No.
Morning. Ooh. I definitely have a flat tire this morning. Not sure what caused it, but when I woke up there was just no air in the front wheel. So just slowly going to the garage station to see if we can pump it up. Good, thanks, man. Full 95, please. Tires inflated. Seems like they are still holding. And we're heading to roads. This beautiful morning ahead. Our end destination is in Adelaide, about 60 or 70 k's from Tarkastad on the R1200GS, and we have a total of 490 kilometers today, which is an estimated time of 8 hours. Interesting question. Anybody else have extremely hard time to fall asleep when there's mosquitoes in a room? Happened to me last night and was just unable to fall asleep as soon as I drift away. A mosquito comes and zooms past my head. Somewhere we need to pass through those mountains, over those mountains, and that's going to be Naudes Nek, which we're climbing today. If all goes well, my tire seems to be still inflated, but the Africa Twins front tire is still deflated. We've patched it 5 times now already, so not sure what we're going to do when we run out of patches. Oh, it's been about 10 kilometers on this road. As you can see, it's quite slow paced, very rocky. And we haven't even hit Naudes Nek yet. We just went past the board for 47 kilometers until roads. All the shaking is testing all the equipment. Oh, what an awesome road. here's the start of Naudes Nek. Check it. 2596 meters. Naudes Nek. See a car coming from the top. Oh no, it's actually going up. There it is. See, quite a rocky section, and that side is just a cliff. Up and up we go. There's the road we came up on. This almost reminds me of our Jeffreys Bay tour a few years back when we did the Sani Pass. Also a lot of fun, a lot of switchbacks and a lot of rocks. This at this stage isn't as steep as Sani Pass it feels. It's a bit more manageable incline, but you still need to pick your lines, keep momentum and just hop all over the rocks. You'll probably see on this camera how extremely shaky the road is. Oh, that burble of the boxer twin down low. Oh, can you hear the Africa twin rumble? Ja, lekker klipperig hoor. Yes, ja. Nee, ek het nou nie verder gery nie, maar dit het vir my so gevoel nie. Ja. Vat maar 'n bietjie voor. Oh yes. Oh, this one. Shame, this road is so bad. And we're at the top. Yo, look at that view. Just a small update. We're about 30 kilometers from roads. Probably going to grab something to eat. And we are in search of 21-inch tubes. Because that front tyre of the Africa Twin is just slowly but surely deflating. Here we are in Elliot. We just finished the dirt road or gravel road from Rhodes, and about a kilometer before the end my dad got a entirely flat front wheel, so I drove in to Elliot. Luckily I got a lady right over here selling tubes, so she gave us a 3-on tube, but he luckily also got the tyre fixed, and we met up here for some fuel and an ice cream. Still got a bit of a distance to go, but most of it is tar. Only the last stretch is still a gravel road, which they said is quite beautiful. Oh, lucky I found him. Just lost my dad in this traverse, and then I went on a wild goose chase to try and find him, and he was right back where I last saw him. But that's the second flat tire today. Not sure what's up with that tube, but it's this road, driving normally, and then all of a sudden, poof, flat tire. Ja, wat? Dadelijk! That puncture fix, we are now arriving in Kumani, old name Queenstown, but seems has been renamed to Kumani. It's now 4:30 in the afternoon. Just got 5-litre can of petrol in Tarkasta. Seems like they are going under. And now we have this last stretch of road. On top of the world. Dropping into the valley. Hey, hello buddy. Yo, jy lyk baie oud, chom. Lyk of jy al baie dinge in die wêreld gesien het. The last few kilometers of the day. Yeah, I think we're both quite tired. I feel my back, my legs, arms. Check that Africa sunset. Oh, bridge. Whee. Corrugated road. That's why my charging station is loose at the moment. Hasn't fallen off, but it is loose. Last 10 kilometers, we're on a tar, and I can smell the beer. Check you guys there. It's 10 to 6. We're driving from 7:15 this morning. So basically a full day on the bike. Kijk maar, al hoor ons.